Hi everyone, and welcome to day 19 together of Holiday Hustle. We have 5 minutes on the clock. We will start on our backs in 3, 2, 1. Lay all the way down. Exhale, legs to the sky. Good. Now point and flex your toes. Kind of just feel some range of motion in the ankles. And then I want you to start straight-legged bicycles as we twist side to side. Feet are in flexion as you rotate left to right. So start to feel your core engage as you twist from side to side. As you feel your body engage, your breath. Good. Let's move here. Let's go doubles to one side. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Final side. 1, 2. Good. Legs in the air. Put your head down. Exhale, place your palms down. Lift your hips up as high as you can. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. So we're not just lifting and lowering, we're holding, okay? Hold. 3, 2, 1. I got those shakes. You should too. 2 more. Up and hold. 3. Come on. 2, 1. Oh, yes. Last time. Ready, set, up and hold. 3. Come on. Use those hands. 2, 1. Nice work. Knees are at 90 degrees right here. All right. I want you to exhale. Go ahead and drop them over to the side. Hold. So they're hovering right above the ground. Pick up your head. Good. Hold. Arms forward. 3. Pull your knees in tight. Engage your core. 2. Put your head down. Bring your knees back through center. So finding that isometric hold to the other side. Again, hold. Good. Lift. And yes, this is not all about reps. This is about holding, experiencing that way that your body can isometrically hold an exercise and still work. 3, 2, head comes down. Good. Bring it back to center. All right. Now tap your heels 4 times. 1, 2, let it burn. 3, good. Reach your heels forward and down. And 4. Now reach for your heels with your hands. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Good. 4. Halfway. And 5, 5. Reach. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, and 8. Good. Exhale, legs in the air. 4 holds. Ready, set, up. 4, 3. Oh, it burns. 2, 1. Ready, set, go. Lift and lower. Halfway there, guys. 4, 3, 2. 2 more reps like that. Ready, set, up and hold. 4, 3, 2. Drop the booty. Last time. Ready, set, up and hold. 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. And lower. Beautiful. Knees at 90. Tap. 4, 3. Isometric hold to the right and 2. 1 more rep. Come on, come on. Just throwing a bunch of things at you today. Soft movements, slow movements. Hold it. Good. You're in that hover, right? Pick up your head. Reach your arms out. Hover, hover. 4, 3. Isometric hold. 2. Head comes down. Stay. Bring it back. Good. Other side. Again, it's okay that you're not going crunch, 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 crunch. Pick up your head. We're doing something different. You're starting to notice, can I stay here? Can I hold it? How long can I be here? Are my abs starting to work? Good. Put your head down. Bring it back through center. Beautiful. Reach. Heel. 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 Good. Give me 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Big rock up to seated. All right. We're bringing our elbow towards the ground as we twist right, left, right, left. If you want more, raise your feet. Maybe just raise 1 foot. Otherwise, heels can be down with me. And yes, you should still feel your core working. 8, 7, 6, 5. Just twist to one side in 3, 2, 1. Just go left. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, pulse it. 4, 3, 2. Just go right. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Finish singles. Let's go. Twist, twist. Oh, yes. Twist. Good. Come on. Last 10 seconds right here. Let's finish this up. Come on, twist, twist, twist. Pick up those feet for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You made it. Good. Go ahead and get those legs long in front of you. Take a nice little forward bend here. Release any tension in your low back. Keep stretching if you need to. Remember, I have loads of yoga on here if you need it. And I'll see you tomorrow, day 20.